Good morning, student 8 A students. Right. So I'm going to solve some more questions here from 12A. Yesterday I have given you some video from 12A only, and this one again today from 12A. Now I ask you to multiply the bracket. You can multiply the bracket, but if you want to use the formula, you can use the formula also. In that case, you need not to multiply. Right. What formula? First, x plus a and x plus b. This question is not based on formula a plus b into a minus b. Here given x plus a is constant, and x plus b another constant. That we can use this formula x square plus x a plus b plus a into b. This is the formula. Now, what type of question? Take question. X plus 7 and x plus 5. Example. Use the formula. X square plus x. A plus b. A is 7. B is 5. 7 plus 5. Plus a is 7 into 5. This is x square. 7 plus 5. 12x plus 35. This is our answer. And yesterday I asked you to do the multiplication. You can solve this question by multiplying the bracket also. There are two brackets. 8. So from x of the first bracket, multiply the second bracket. From 7 of the first bracket, multiply the second bracket. 8. Then x plus x, x square, x plus 5, 5x. Now 7 into x plus 7x plus 7 into 5, 35. Now this is x square, 5x plus 7x means 12x plus 35. This is it. See, answer is coming same. So that's why I ask you use the formula or do the multiplication directly. Right? Now it totally depends upon you. But one thing in the formula, if a plus given, in place of plus in example you may write minus. If minus given in example by mistake you may write plus, then your answer will be wrong. But in multiplication there is no such mistakes will happen. So I am giving you the formula also. You decide from which method you have to solve the question. Second, x plus a and x minus b. Now minus a. This is also not based on the formula a plus b into a minus b. Right. So what is the formula for this? The formula is x squared plus x a minus b minus a into b. This is the formula. Right. Now take the example. X plus 7 and x minus 5. Use the formula. X squared plus x 7 minus 5 minus 7 into 5. This is x squared. 7 minus 5 is 2x. 2x minus 35. This is our answer. Now when we multiply x plus 7, from x multiply the second bracket, from 7 multiply the second bracket. 8. So both method I am going to solve it. You have to decide which one is easy for you. So x, first bracket x multiply with the second bracket. From first bracket 7 multiply with the second bracket. Now plus into plus x into x, x squared. Plus into minus, 5 into x 5x plus into x plus 7x plus into minus 7 into 5 35. Now operate like term x square minus 5x and plus 2x means plus 2x minus 35. This is our answer. In both cases the answer is same. Right? So by using the formula also we can solve this question, and without using formula multiply it, and perhaps you have studied in 7 how to multiply the two bracket. Use that concept only, multiply the bracket, you will get the same result. Now it totally depends upon you whether you are going to use the formula or you are going to do the multiplication method to give the answer of this type of questions. Very clear? Two more formula is there that I am going to explain you. Not formula, you can say it after multiplying the formula is written. What? Here x minus a and x first bracket minus a, x minus a plus x plus b. What is the result? X square minus a minus b x 8 minus a into b. This is the formula. So x minus a in one bracket, second bracket x plus b is equal to x square minus a minus bx minus a into b. What to do? Take the question. X minus 7, example, x plus 5. Put it on the formula, right? So when you put it on the formula, what is the formula? X square minus a minus b means 7 minus 5 x minus a into b means 7 into 5. Right? What is the result? Result is x square minus 2x minus 35. This is the result. When you will multiply, use the multiplication rule, you will get the same result. See how? From x multiply the second bracket. From minus 7 multiply the second bracket. Now x into x, x square plus into 5 plus 5x. Now minus into plus minus 7 into x, 7x. Minus into plus minus 7 into 5, 35. Now x square plus 5x or minus 7x minus 2x minus 35. This is our answer. 8. So we are using the formula or one more formula, x minus a and x minus b. Both are negative. Both have negative sign. Then what is the result? X square minus a plus b x plus a into b. It's clear? So by using the formula or multiplication you can solve the question. So solve at least 7 to 8 questions from the exercise. Thank you.